Hi, it's Chris. It's time for another beauty day. So today I have a BirchBox, and unlike previously, I'm not going to open 12 in a row. This is the current one that I just got in April. And then the other thing I have, which has been sitting in the living room for quite a while, and there are lots of unboxings about it, is FabFitFun. So, come along. So you need to ignore the face today. I'm on a beauty journey of learning to put new makeup on. I'm not going to go into that because I've said it in other videos, in my other two videos. But right now, allergy season has hit full swing in the Ohio Valley with spring, and my eyes are a mess. One of the things that hits me the most is in my under eyes. I get black under eyes, and that's when I know my allergies are bothering me about. I've also had the nose thing going on, the itchy throat. It's allergy season, and it rained a whole bunch yesterday and last night, so it's just not a good time right now. So I decided to forego it. That's okay. You've seen me mainly without makeup anyway, so what's the difference? But I have been getting better. I haven't worn it to work yet, which will be my next sort of bit to get there, but I'm getting there slowly and surely. So let's see when I got in my BirchBox. I gotta tell you, one of the things I like about BirchBox is the boxes are always so cute. I haven't found any other reasons to use them yet, but I want to. I've kind of separated all the different types of items in different boxes so that I can kind of pull and try things as opposed to having to go through all those boxes like I was before. The other thing, and I really, the power of the internet sometimes is too much. So that Kyle's cream that I commented on that I really liked, so somebody says it's incredibly bad for you and it ages your skin faster and you need to stay away because it has all these bad ingredients in it. And then I started looking and there's a whole lot of things that have all these bad ingredients in it. I just don't know the right answer to that. So yeah, that makes even the beauty journey even more intense. Is seeing all these other pieces that they tell you don't use this because of all the bad things. So I don't know. Alright, back to the box. It comes with a wonderful little card, and it says, Mind, Body, and Soul. Oh, it's honoring Earth Day. Really, if you're something worse than trying to read in when you're doing it. But they also, on the back side, always tell you what the product list is. Subscriber, fill up your cart with any from your sample and get 20% off for one time only. Well, that's not so bad. So let's see what we got. So the first thing I see is a Cure Organics Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. Paraben free, botanical rich, cleanser, whatever. So it is this. Don't know if it's going to focus or not. Probably not. Sorry. That's what this is. Then we have Clean Reserve Citron Fig Eau de Parfum perfume. Whatever, I can't speak French. Wow. The full-size bottle of this is $95. Full-size bottle of this would be $95. Does smell good though. I'm not sure $95 worth, but I guess for a good bottle of perfume that probably isn't all that crazy. Then we have Dabney's Love Smoothing Shampoo, enriched with olive extract, fatty acids, and vitamin E. Formula smooths frizz and tangle-prone strands while you wash. Now, this time of year when the humidity starts to hit, which is right around the corner, considering how fun spring has been so far, this probably is really nice. It's kind of brownish in the bottle. This full size is 26, which actually it's purple when you look in there. Actually isn't bad for shampoo, at least not what I know. Then we have, oh, and the bonus item would be the Love conditioner that goes with the Love shampoo. try those out. MD Sciences Mineral Tinted SPF. This oil-free tinted silky sunscreen protects your complexion from the sun's harmful rays without clogging. Okay, it's a tinted sunscreen, and what I have to laugh about this, right, is it says apply every 2 hours for maximum protection. So I guess you're going to go bare makeup then, because I can't imagine putting it on you if you're already, or maybe it's not for your face. No, without clogging oils. Yeah. I don't quite get the understand, but then again, for somebody like me who doesn't wear anything, this might be a good idea. I don't know. And the last item I got was Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner in Fishnet. The full size of this is 18. It's just a little pencil. That's not so scary. Those liquid ones kind of scare me sometimes, but once again, I don't know. Doesn't move. So that's what's in my box today. Wow, $99 for this perfume. I will say it smells very good. I'm just not sure that $99 worth. So more things for me to try. Yeah. So FabFitFun. I have seen a number of openings, so I have an idea of what's in here. They do a quarterly mailing, I guess, for each season, and it's a bunch of different things that people put in together. I don't know, something like, go to the website, find out. I don't know. I'm not sure why I tried. There is a reason why I tried, but I can't think of it at the moment. So let's see what we got. There is a big magazine in there. So excited for you to dig in just a little bit. A coupon for Cook Up a Fresh Start. Oh, Hello Fresh. It's a food service, something or another. So what have we got? Is there a product card somewhere? You know, that means I don't know what anything is. But that's okay. Oh. Oh, here we go. This is Ish. That's what it says, it's Ish. And this is a lip statement something. Oh, and the little magazine that comes with it, this little magazine that they have, actually shows you how to use stuff, is what I need help with. So that's great. Nice little box, lots of wrapping on it. Ooh, wow. And it does have quite a few colors there to choose from. So, yeah, and a little brush. That's not so bad. I think I can, that might work for me. I don't have much lipstick, but I like to wear lipstick, and I like a variety pack of lipstick, so that works out well too. That's not going back in. The next thing we have is a little plastic. Oh, a purse. Well, no, maybe not a purse. What is this? Reversible. Okay, looks like a reversible something or other. It is a cool little print on there. It's kind of, it's actually pretty nice. Is there any pockets or anything inside? Oh, and there's a pocket on the inside as well. I guess you can use that as a clutch. Either way. That's pretty cool. Use it to store stuff. I don't know. It's pretty cool though. It works for me. All right, what else we got? Free People. Free People. I think they make clothes too, don't they? Maybe underwear or something. It is a eye mask, I believe. Like a sleep mask, maybe. It doesn't tell me quite what you do with it, I guess. But it's got, I'm telling you, I'm not good at this at knowing what anything is. Sorry about that. It's got like a gel piece in there. Somewhere along the way, I'm going to figure out how this works because I'm just not quite sure. Then there is Makeover Concealing Ridge Feeler by Dermalect. I'm guessing this is fingernail polish. Yeah, some fingernail polish, which is pretty good. I do like to wear fingernail polish. Duce Lip Stain in Dark Lust. Oh. So it's two pieces. Do you use one and then the other? I'm not quite sure. Luscious lip gloss and lip stain. I'm guessing you use one and then the other. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. Then we have some Murad Hydrate Oil-Free Moisturizer. That's not so bad. I think I saw something in here about the moisturizer. Skin Perfecting Lotion. That works well. Then there's some Dove shampoo. Exfoliating body polish is what that is. I guess it cleans you up really well. Then there's I don't know. Massage roller. Throw this in your carry-on bag or helps release sore muscles on the go. Maybe? I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, whatever. Then there's a little silver necklace. Oh, no. Oh, it's a little bracelet that says love on it. Isn't that cute? Okay, I like that. I don't mind that. And the last thing that seems to be in here is Core's Guava Body Butter. All natural. It's in a lot of languages too. Stimulating scent of tropical fruits, soothing and moisture cream for all over the body, rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening, nourishing, and moisturizing properties. That is really, really cool. So I did get an email saying that when I ordered this that they had run out. There's apparently one other item that's supposed to be in here. A candle, and they had run out of candles, so they were in the process of getting it back to us. So this does kind of tell you, which is nice, if I had opened this up to begin with. The purse is valued at $60, which is nice. The little body butter is $24. Skin's elasticity. Slather on right after showering so you can lock in moisture is what it says. This is not valued. It was the Dove. The Dove was a sponsored item, so that's pretty good. The ridge filler is at $18, and I think I paid, I don't know how much I paid for the whole thing. There was like if you bought a year worth, it was cheaper than if you bought the monthly, and it also came with a few other things. And I think I went ahead and did the yearly. So this is valued at $20. Oh, the box says it's around $3.50 for the whole box. That's a pretty good deal considering everything you got. Oh, there's also a choice of infused lip masks that were in there. Eyeshadows is $42. Yeah. Oh, the eye mask. This vegan leather. That means it's not leather, right? Because vegan wouldn't use leather, so it's not leather then. It should just say this vegan eye mask. Features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The elastic band offers a perfect fit every time, and charming metallic patchwork keeps your eyes daydreaming. Store the cooling pouch in the fridge to help depuff weary eyes. That's not such a bad deal. So that's what that's for. And I will own up, I've got issues with weary eyes and under eyes, so that's probably going to work real well. I'm looking forward to trying that. So, thank you once again for coming and exploring with me on my beauty journey. I don't have anything really interesting this time, which is too bad because the last couple of times I've done some fun stuff. I'm just not up to it, but he's been sitting here for a while, and I really and truly, I didn't want my BirchBox to go as long as it did last time. The fact that I opened, was it 7 or 8 the first time, was pretty sad, considering how long I had it. So, other than that, I haven't had a whole lot. I've worn makeup out a couple of times and still haven't worn it to work. Yeah. So, thanks for coming along. Ta-ta for now.